Hello my lovely. Today I received my mailbox from Alexandra Renke and I can't wait to unbox this. I have seen some sneak previews or sneak peeks online and I'm expecting a very lovely set of new paper designs with florals. And so I can't wait, since florals are one of my weak points and I love them. So here we are. Oh wow! We have a Coliro Fine Tech paint in the original size of the wells. They are white. I have had discussions online about this company. Fine-Tech is a German company and apparently they had problems delivering to the US at some point and therefore another company took over this market in the US and is marketing Fine-Tech there. So the Fine-Tech original company had to rebrand their marketing name for these paints as Coliro, and I believe they had the name Coliro before, but in the US it's a completely different company. I think they are based on some Asian management, I think. However, they are registered in Germany, so it must be legal. But this is the original Fine-Tech paint with the white well, and it's a well that is well known in Germany for paints. These wells have been manufactured by Pelikan for the longest time. And I believe they are the same size, so they could fit into the Pelikan paint boxes, which I should try out really before spreading this, because I don't know, I have not tried it, but it does look familiar. Since my childhood days I've known these round white wells. So yeah, I'm very happy about this. I believe, just a sec, I believe I have this color in here. This is a set that's smaller than, it's like a test set, I suppose. It's smaller than the normal wells, and it comes with this color. Although it does look different, I must say. Let me just see which color it is. Green pearl. No, it's blue green, and this is moss green. Ah, so it's different color. So moss green. Wow, very happy about that. And it goes absolutely beautifully with these papers, I'm sure. I like this ribbon. Seems like it's cotton. Really like this. This goes well with the paper as well. And here we are. More envelopes. They are always welcome to use for letters and cards. And this package we have 6 envelopes. And then we have enamel dots. I usually use the liquid kind, but these come in very handy. They are 3 sizes. and the largest one is about 5 millimeters, and the smallest one is about 3 millimeters. Yeah, they're from Hero Arts. Hero Hues enamel dots. I've not seen these before, but it was announced that these would be in the kit on several media posts by their Creative Box team. And here we have a beautiful stamp that was announced on the website that this would be included. So they call it Morning Glory, but Morning Glory is a different flower. It's actually a clematis flower, definitely. And the clematis also has these furry things that develop as seed strands when they have wilted. I have photographed them in the autumn. They are really beautiful as flowers and also as wilted flowers and seed strings, if you can call it that. Yeah, and I'm really happy about this stamp. It's just the naming. Don't know what went wrong there. Morning Glory is I made this painting at some point in my sketchbook. This is my attempt to draw Morning Glory. It's more cup shaped, so I didn't really get the shape right. But anyway, it's called Prunkwinde in German. So it's a totally different flower. So the Morning Glory is a kind of plant that is edible, whereas the clematis type, they are poisonous. So it's quite a difference, I would say. But anyway, the paper itself is so beautiful. It's printed in the typical Alexandra Renke gold. I hope you can see the shine, and obviously the pink coloring looks like watercolor, and it's beautiful design, and the paper number is 101738. Wonderful. I love it. Oh, and here we have the stamp for June. This year we get a stamp for each month. So in the May box we get the stamp for June, and we have a little brush. I have received a brush from Alexandra Renke before, and I gave it away in a travel set that I made for someone. And this is brush number 943 by Da Vinci. It's obviously a synthetic brush. Not sure what happened to the point there. I think it got damaged. It doesn't have a protector. Oh, there it is. It's come off. So because the protector has come off, the point seems to be gone. Oh, that's a shame. Anyway, carry on with the papers. I think this is it. Let me remove the box. The next paper is similar to the first one, and it's with red berries. It's a beautiful paper, and the paper number is 101737. Oh wow, This is so beautiful. Oh, and there we have the Morning Glory. But it's not on the stamp. This is definitely only the clematis. And this clematis is beautifully painted or designed. Really beautiful. I think they are designed, I'm not sure how the papers are made. They do look like they are handmade, but then again they look like they've been designed in Illustrator. I wish I knew, but anyway, that's not the point of this video, is it? So I'm sure you want to know the paper number, and this is 101740, if the camera would focus. Again, it's gold line work, and the coloring is absolutely beautiful with the grey and the blue cool colors. And then we have the typical clematis seed pods, I would call it. They are furry in real life. These leaves look like eucalyptus. The paper number here is 101736, and the line work again is in gold and goes really well with the green eucalyptus color. It's beautiful. And here we have a grey paper, one of the Alexandra Renke patterns. It's paper number 101459. And mind you, speaking of eucalyptus, they could be the eucalyptus fruit blossom. Here we have the exact pattern of the stamp. Wow. It's in pure gold, Alexandra Renke gold, as I said. And the paper number is 101742. And the eucalyptus paper without any coloring, again beautiful too. Wonder what these are. Paper number is 101734. In case you don't know, the papers are always one-sided from Alexandra Renke, so they have their beautiful white base color. And here we have another one of these lovely blossoms with the Morning Glory and the clematis as well, and the paper number is 101741. Oh, and here we have a yellow paper that's matched perfectly, and the paper number is 101428. And here we have another paper with eucalyptus and these fluffy, in real life, fluffy clematis seedlings. And the paper number is 10, 17, 35. Lovely. This is the overview of the first paper that we had without any coloring, and the paper number is 10, 17, 39. Also in the Alexandra Renke gold. I believe this was the first paper. Yes, definitely was. And I must say I'm very happy with these papers, even though they do leave us guessing as to what is depicted, especially with this. So I will sort the papers out and take a picture so I can post the video. So I have tested my greens from Finetech, and this is the blue green in a moist condition right now, and this is the moss green in moist condition. They do look totally different from when they're in the well, which this would be the one and this would be the other one, and but this would be more of a moss green in my view. This would be more of a grey green, but let's wait until they're dry and I'll let you know. So now the paints have dried, and this is the Finetech moss green, and here we have the blue green. So it does look blue green, kind of in the pan, but in real life on the dry surface it looks more like moss green, I would say. And the moss green is a greyish green, so definitely the shine looks green, golden green, but it's a very grey undertone. I'm sure it will come in very handy for embellishing plants and such. So thank you so much for watching. I'm happy that you stayed until the end, regardless of my ramblings, and I hope to see you next time, and would much appreciate if you clicked like below if you liked my video and followed me so you could click the bell to be notified with my next upload. Hopefully I'll be making a card for Mother's Day with these papers. And for the moment, please take care of yourselves, do what you love, stay healthy, and see you next time. Bye! Ta-da!